Hey guys, you see, welcome to my channel. And in Arizona, it's raining like hell. I think most in other places rain more than this. This is the most I ever rained in Arizona. At least I think so. It's raining so much. I'm stuck in the car. It's not raining as much as it was raining like a few minutes ago. But when it was, before I started recording this, it's raining so much. Imagine hearing those sounds like droplets of rock on your roof, but 10 times louder and faster. It's the only thing I hear. It's like the only thing I hear. I don't hear much. I'm just waiting here until my mom comes.